So welcome to our room.
This is the crib.
Yeah.
Really cool.
This is where we hang out. We've got my desk here where I put a lot of my board games up top where it's easily accessible. We've got our TV right here so that maximum seating, more people can see the screen. Then I hide all my textbooks so I can pretend that I don't have to stress about school every time. Then we got Dylan's bookshelf, his desk with all his ROTC gear. And then we've got, this bed is Dylan's right here, and then mine's the lofted one. We decided to loft this one so we can fit our couch right underneath it, with our mini fridge tucked around the corner right there, and finish off with Dylan's closet in the other corner.
Wow, you guys really have a great setup in here. I also wanted to point out just really quickly that they have utilized a loft kit here. So we're showing off the many possibilities of arranging one's room. And I see you have sneakily hidden a fridge in there.
Yes, we did.
Which is absolutely wonderful. So we've seen a lounge on campus. It's totally possible for you to bring a mini fridge to have here in your room. Well, thank you both so much for showing us your room.
Absolutely.
It's so cozy. I love it in here.